Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Airbnb step by step clearly. Research your local market to understand demand and pricing for short-term rentals. Identify a suitable property for your Airbnb venture. Consider factors like location, size, and amenities that attract guests. Evaluate whether to purchase, lease, or use a property you already own. Make sure to check local regulations regarding short-term rentals. Acquire any necessary permits or licenses to operate legally. Create an appealing listing on the Airbnb platform. Invest time in taking high-quality photos of your property. Write a detailed and engaging description highlighting unique features. Set competitive pricing based on your market research. Implement a dynamic pricing strategy to optimize occupancy rates. Focus on setting house rules and clear guest expectations. Prepare your property by ensuring it is clean and well maintained. Consider furnishing your space with appealing decor and essential amenities. Stock up on necessities like toiletries, kitchen supplies, and linens. Develop a guest manual outlining house rules, local attractions, and emergency contacts. Optimize your Airbnb profile to build trust and attract more bookings. Respond promptly to inquiries and booking requests to increase guest satisfaction. Communicate clearly with guests before and during their stay. Use a reliable cleaning service to maintain high standards between guests. Encourage guests to leave reviews to enhance your listing's credibility. Regularly monitor your performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay engaged with your guests to foster positive experiences. Explore additional revenue streams like offering local tours or experiences. Keep track of your income and expenses to ensure profitability. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and changing market conditions. Continue to educate yourself about the Airbnb platform and industry trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.